Isa Sator is here with us. She was born in Epinay-Sur-Seine, north of Paris, France, in 1963. She studied law, became a lawyer. Soon after, she made an early decision to run away from Paris by making a peculiar and brave trip to Nouméa, New Caledonia, a French territory archipelago, where she described it as a magical island and where she discovered the power of nature, colors, and her true self. She has been actively in the art platform in New York City. She has done many solo and collective exhibitions. On her website, there is a statement that caught my attention. It reads, Isa Sator has taken a strange journey for those who believe art should be learned in a school. Bienvenue, Isa. C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer.
Merci, merci, merci. Thank you very much.
You have created your life path as if it was a white canvas. You have painted it with freedom. Who is Isa Sator? Can you tell us?
Oh, who is Isa Sator? It's a big question. I like to say that I'm enchant the world. I'm very enjoy to use a very colored, powerful palette color across my painting to invite everyone who see or discover my work to feel free in mind. It's really important. And obvious, I like freedom, because if you are freedom, you are very you can grow up your otherness. I feel like an avatar too, because sometimes I explain I come from another galaxy, because when I was baby, I was like that. I didn't change nothing in my head. I know I'm an artist from my cradle, like a small bed of baby. I had a lot of fantasy in mind. My mission on the world, on the earth, it's enchant the world.
What is your visual road to initiate a series of your paintings? What is the concept behind when you start thinking about your next canvas? What is in your mind?
My painting is very contrasted in color and very high frequency. There is a reason, because I'm conscious that I'm not ordinary person. I'm sorry, but it's not humble to say that. To answer this question, who I am, and I'm working on working progress on it to discover who I am, and I encourage everybody to do the same way. It's my concept, because my palette is very free, very contrasted. My draw also is very free, No school. I invent my own writing painting. I hope, like a painter, to have a message, not just a very colorful painting, but I would like to have a universe message for everybody.
It has been 20 years that you are dedicated fully, completely to the arts. But you returned to Paris, the city you ran away from in the early years. Now you're back. Do you plan this return back to the Parisienne art life, or was it a dream that came true?
It's an excellent question. And when you ask me this question, I have the thing on my skin, because I know it's very clearly for me, did a circle, because now it's clearly I'm back to France because it's my target from my candle when I was baby. When I flew to New Caledonia on a plane, it's on the 17 October 1986. I really remember like it was in 5 minutes ago. I was very determined to go, to leave everything here because something's wrong. And I would like to go the much longer way. If I take a plane for Mars, I did to go. On a plane, I was confused because I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but my determination to answer your question, there are two things. There are the force of the destiny, and I have a choice. And I would like to participate for the new way of painting. But I'm very proud to start in Paris because it's so difficult. It's so difficult. When I start, I have a lot of criticism.
Critiques.
And what is your painting? What's going on? And it's like the true, you know, like Arthur Schopenhauer said, there are three steps to be obvious. But when you create a painting, it's difficult, and more when you stay in Paris. Because now the people say, oh, Isa, now you make a lot of progress. But nothing, it's the same. You know, perhaps I change of topic, but my painting is the same. But the point of view of this piece, people change. It's really fantastic.
Isa.
Yes.
Who is the artist, dead or alive, of your admiration?
I hesitate between Matisse, I love, it's a genius, and Van Gogh.
Haha.
Look at
Simple.